Is how to fix NVIDIA control panel not showing in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And to resolve this issue, go to Windows search, type services and open services app in Windows 11 and Windows 10. In services windows, find out the option NVIDIA display container ls. Double click on it and choose a startup type. Choose a start button and under startup type choose automatic. Click apply and then OK button. Similar, you will find three same options. Second one is NVIDIA local system container. Open it and same procedure will apply. Change a startup type automatic, apply and then OK button. And third one is NVIDIA network service container. Same procedure will apply. Click start and automatic, apply and then OK button, and your problem will definitely resolve. And it will find, we will check in right click context menu, go to show more option and you will find NVIDIA control panel. The second method is little different. You can also go through, right click on a start button, choose device manager and go to display adapter section. Sometime outdated driver may be a cause of not displaying NVIDIA control panel. Choose update driver and search automatic for drivers. Windows will now install and update recently NVIDIA network driver. And the third one is go to Windows search, type services, open services. Here double click on NVIDIA display container ls. Apply a double click on it and choose its path. Copy this path, right click on it and copy. You may Ctrl+C. Thereafter close these windows, services windows, and go to file explorer. In folder search bar, paste this path and go to this path. And here you will find an NVIDIA exe file. Copy this file, and go to run command box. Right click on start button and choose run and type the command shell.startup. Shell:/startup and press OK button. Paste the file you have earlier copied this, paste here and open it and go to compatibility section and choose run as administrator option and finally click on apply and then OK button.